Hi, this is Bruce the Blog, and I want to talk for just a couple of minutes right now about a new brand Bruce the Blog series that's being launched even as I speak. And it's called Marketing Main Street 101, and it has a subtitle that helps further explain what it's about, and that is tons of tips for helping your community profit and prosper by promoting quality of life. And now, this is something that doesn't apply only to, let's say, communities in the Hudson Valley, or the northern Westchester, Putnam, Rockland, Orange County region, which is covered, of course, by North County News and by extension Chase Media Group and all of our properties, including Penny Saver and Chase Mobile Media and Chase Press and Chase Clicks and so on. But Marketing Main Street 101 applies to any and every community in this country. And so this is something very different that we are embarking on right now. It's going to start off as a Bruce the Blog series, and if you go to ncnlocal.com and click on Bruce the Blog on the homepage, you'll see that there's already a lot of Marketing Main Street 101 information that's already been posted. But in a nutshell, what we're talking about is what you might call a practical or practically organic guidebook that promotes a values-based, what I call an eco-local system. It's sort of a local ecosystem, but I'm coining the phrase eco-local system, that promotes quality of community life by combining and coordinating things such as, and you can imagine, let's say, bullet points before each of these, volunteerism and the challenges and champions of volunteerism. And something that goes hand in glove with that, of course, is not just fundraising, but responsible fundraising. There's also topics such as youth services and adult education and service clubs and ethics. Ethics plays a very important role in our practically organic guidebook to Marketing Main Street 101. We also, of course, include business best practices, and then something that we're calling homegrown commerce or organic commerce. One example of that would be locavore, which is locally grown food, produce, that is then both retailed and served in local restaurants. So homegrown or organic commerce is something that helps generate revenue within the community and keep revenue within the community and reinvest in the community and help the tax base all at the same time. And obviously help the quality of life, since that's the bottom line for what Marketing Main Street 101 is all about. And then some other aspects that we're going to be incorporating is affinity alliances, otherwise known as strategic alliances. But instead of divide and conquer among community organizations, our philosophy is align and conquer, ALIGN. Work with other groups in order to gain more efficiencies and economies of scale, and to just increase productivity and the return on investment. And then there's also something we call role model recognition rewards programs, where people who do things especially well, they could be overachievers, they could be any age, gender, profession, background, social group, but these are people who should be held up as examples for others of how to do things right, how to do good by doing well. So that's just a brief overview of Bruce the Blog's brand new and new brand, Marketing Main Street 101. And so check back both on Bruce the Blog live videos such as this one, as well as Bruce the Blog text posts and other forms that Marketing Main Street 101 will be taking in the coming days, weeks, months, and beyond. Thank you, and I will see you next time.